Welcome back. Welcome back. So I got a seed packet order in the mail, and I placed this order about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. I've been anxiously awaiting because I need the onion seeds to complete my onion seed sowing for 2025 in my spring garden. So let's see what we got from Seed and Such. I have ordered from them in the past. I would say 1 to 2 times in the past, and I have not had any issues with their seeds at all. You will notice that I'm going to be heavy on the hybrids. They had an excellent selection, wide variety of seeds, some that I have never even heard of before. So let's get to it. There are a lot of tomato seeds in here. I do not need tomato seeds, but they sounded so interesting. There was a bit of a sale going on. I think I got 25% off. If I spent $40, I got free shipping, and I got 2 free seed packs as well. So we'll look at those. I got the hybrid tomato Mariana. I'll put pictures up on the screen. So if there's anything interesting about each seed pack, I'll put something on the screen as well. Verbena Sweetheart Kisses. These just look so pretty, and I'm hoping that they're perennial, but I'm not sure. If they are not, verbena in general self-seeds really easily, so I'm not worried about that. I'm hoping though that this is something that will continue to propagate in my garden all by itself. Celosia. This just seems so gorgeous and beautiful to me. Even though I have so many celosias that come back on their own in my garden, I just really was drawn to this color palette. So we'll see. It's only 5 seeds. This is probably a newer seed patent or hybrid. Yeah. I got the Everleaf Lemon Basil, which is supposed to grow and just continually produce those leaves. So I got the lemon. There should be the regular one in here somewhere as well. So these are my 2 free seed packs. I got Saucy Lady, and I got Purple Ruffles Basil. Should be, yep, that's a beautiful basil. Also, here are my onion seeds I've been waiting on. My onion hybrid candy onion seeds. Here is the other Everleaf basil, sweet basil. And then I really like the name of this tomato, Ruby Dawn. Isn't that cute? Cute name. I love the names of tomatoes as well. And then I got just one pepper. It's called Red Impact. It's a hybrid. It's supposed to be really big, sweet red peppers. Blushing Star tomato. Love that name as well. And I wanted to try this bushy cucumber because, well, I have limited growing space. So if I can get a lot of cucumbers growing in a smaller space, I want to try that, right? And last but not least is Plum Regal Hybrid Tomato. I actually heard from another YouTuber recommending this seed. And so before I placed my order, I checked to see if Seed and Such had that variety, and they did. So I went ahead and got those tomatoes as well. So there we go, guys. Quite a few packets of seeds. Many I will actually probably try this spring and into summer. And yeah, so I've had good luck with this company in the past. I expect these seeds will do great. And I hope you will come back and see when it's time to get these guys planted and what comes in our spring and summer garden. Talk to you later. Bye.